to fix login error in British Airways application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your device is connected to a secure internet network. And if you're still having any login problems, you can simply go to your settings. Scroll down and click on General, and you want to click on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and navigate yourself to the British Airways application. Click on Show All and it will show all the applications in your device. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and click on Reinstall App. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.